Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Reo Singalong books. We try and add as many actions as we can to our books. It's not always possible, but one of the books that we deliberately did that to was with our shapes book. So I wanted to figure out how can I do a shapes book that's different and interesting for children. So ngā āhua means shapes. And so with this one, if you haven't already seen it before or have used it in a different way, here's another way that you can use it. So in each one there's a shape and a body part. So this one means, he manua oku mati mati means, my fingers are a heart. So you know how you can do that like this. Little children find that hard to do, but if you get them to make like a claw in one hand and a claw in the other hand and then put them together, that's how they can make a heart, and older children know how to do that. So that one is, my fingers make a heart, basically make a heart shape. I'll go back to the other parts of this one, and then this is, my mouth is making an oval. So get the children to do those shapes with their body parts. My arms are making a triangle. So they just need to copy the illustration. My tooth makes a square, and my hair is a spiral. My back, and so you could get them to make a really strong rectangular shaped back, and then get them to stand up and make sure that they can do a diamond with their legs. And then this one is my lips make a crescent shape. And then standing up and doing my body as a star, so just copying the actions here, and then all to get into a circle because my friends make a circle. And then the other thing to do, I'll give you the example, the other thing here is me kote, and that's let's count. Let's count the circles. So this wonderful illustrator, Josh Morgan, has on each of these right hand pages has made lots of the shapes to find. So it isn't possible to do that while you're doing the song because of course there isn't enough time to look, but afterwards it's a really good activity to do with one or two children on each page. Let's find all the circles on this page. Let's count them all. You might not be able to count all of the rectangles on this page, but you can start. And if they're good at counting in te reo, that's a good time to practice counting in te reo. This is let's find the ovals on this page. Me kote ngā poro tītaha, let's count the ovals. So there's lots and lots within that book, much more than you probably actually realise, and I really encourage you to use it as a te reo Māori language tool for practicing the words for the shapes, making the shapes into actions, having a lot of fun with Māori language. Ka kite.